What's going on? It's Big A here from Next Level. What we have here is another unboxing. Another unboxing. So let's get right into it. Haven't opened it yet. Let's see right here. Yeah, I'm a little kid sometimes. Here it is. I have to use my knife for that. I'll tell you what that is in a minute. We'll get my knife, I'll be right back. Got it. Alright. Cut away from me. Instruction card. Just this. There we go. For those of you that do not know what this is called the Megasonic Jewelry Cleaner. Instead of paying all that money to go to the jeweler to get my jewelry cleaned, I clean it myself. For the ones that can go in here, versus most other stuff. It actually cleans more than just jewelry, but that's what I'm gonna use it for. Show you. You can see that. Alright. There's a little tray to put your jewelry in. I've been wearing my jewelry for a while. Except the jewelry that I recently got. I'm gonna clean it anyway because I've been wearing it. But yeah, just put it in here, a little bit of water. And this right here is the jewelry cleaner. Let's see what the ratio is. 1 capful for 1 paint. Oh, 0.5 liters. Alright. So, I'm gonna clean this right here. The watch. I'm gonna clean the watch separately. Because I don't want anything sitting on it. This right here. And the ring. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get this all set up. Here we go. I'm gonna get this all set up. I'm gonna pause the video until I get everything ready, and show you how I use it. Just hold on for me. All right. I hope y'all can see it right here. Got it set up. I'm about to start it right now. So the instructions is plug in, no power on. Let's see here. Filter water. Plug it up. I'll do this. Got some faucet water right here. Somewhat hot. Plug this in. There we go. Alright. Alright. I'm gonna trying to get this video done. It seems like my camera's having issues because the battery's so weak. Even if I got to plug it into the wall, I'm trying to get this video finished kind of fast, but here we go again. Here we go again. Technical difficulties, y'all. Anyway, so obviously already on. Oh no. Okay, so that's the time. Let's do 180, and it counts down. You see that? So I'm gonna pause it. I'm gonna pause the video until it finishes, and I'll come back. All right, it just got done like 2 seconds ago. Surprising, the water isn't really that dirty. I'm gonna set this camera down and take it out of the water. There we go. Kind of warm. I'm gonna rinse it off. I'm gonna have to invest in me in another cord for my camera. I don't like this cord, and I'm gonna have to invest in a microfiber cloth because I have one somewhere, but I do not. This is my shirt. I do not know where it's at. So let's see here. Be real careful with this one. Since it's not microfiber, I don't want it catching strings and stuff. Like if I try to rub it through like you're supposed to, I can't really do that because I don't have the right cloth. But okay. Nice and clean. Alright. Now what I'm gonna do is pour this water out, and then I'm gonna clean these other two pieces. And that should be it. That's pretty much how you use it. It's a short video, but that's how I'm gonna be cleaning my jewelry from now on. Alright. Thanks for watching. Big Ed here. Talk to you later. Peace.